Hello students, welcome to part 2 video Super Senses chapter 1 recapitulation. In my first video we have learned human sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: to hear, to see, to smell, to taste, to feel. Super senses of smell in ants. Ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. Super sense of smell in mosquito. Mosquito find us by the smell of our body. They also find us by the smell of the sole of our feet and the heat of our body. Super sense of smell in dog. Dogs mark out their own area on the road. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. Super sense of sight. Some birds like kite, eagle, vultures can see 4 times as far as we can. These birds can see things from a distance of 8 meters what we can see from a distance of 2 meters. The eagle eye is the strongest in the animal kingdom, with an eyesight estimated at 4 to 8 times stronger than that of the average human. An eagle is said to spot a rabbit 3.2 kilometers away. Hannah Strange. Students, now can you guess from what distance an eagle in the sky can see a roti on the ground? An eagle in the sky can see a roti on the ground from a distance of 1.5 to 2 kilometers. Similarly, tiger, lion, and rats have also super senses. Just see, tiger hunt mainly during the evening and night times when the vision of their prey is compromised. At night time, vision of the tiger is excellent, about 6 times better than that of human. Lion. Lion's roar may be heard 5 kilometers away. Lion's eyesight is no better than our during the day, but is far superior at night. Lions can see 8 times better than us in the dark. Rat. Rat vision is quite blurry, but do have a good light and dark perception, which is important when detecting movement from predators. Super sense of sight. Eagles, vulture, kite, tiger, lion, rat helps animals to find their prey to protect themselves from predators or dangers. Position of eyes on head of some birds. Eyes in front of its head like human beings, such as owl. Owls have binocular vision and can estimate distance when hunting. Eyes on the either side. Most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. For example, chicken, crow, pigeon, parrot, seagulls, sparrows. With this gift of given by the nature, their eyes can be focused on two different things. at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. Most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. You must have seen birds moving their necks very often. Do you know why? We have seen birds moving their neck very often. This is because in most of the birds' eyes are fixed and cannot move, so birds have to turn their heads to look around. When a bird focuses both eyes on an object, it can estimate the distance. And one thing more, when its eyes focus on two different things, it increases its ranges of vision. Their eyes are large relative to the size of their head and their bodies. This is because good vision is so important for them to detect food and avoid predators. Students, now we will do one activity. Ready? Looking with one or both eyes. Now do it. Close your right eye or cover it with your hand. Tell your friend to stand to your right at some distance and ask him to do some action. Action जो है वो आपका या तो उसे वेव हैंड करने के लिए कहिए या शेक हैंड करने के लिए कहिए. Now answer my questions. Could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? Now try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open but without moving your neck. Next, what was the difference on looking with one or both eyes? Students, ready? Now match your answer with my answer. First question was, could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? No, I could not see my friend's action without moving my neck. Next, now try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open but without moving your neck. I was able to see my friend's action with both my eyes open and without moving my neck. Third, what was the difference on looking with one or both eyes? With both my eyes open, I can see a wider range of area without moving my neck. Good. Students, ready for one more interesting activity? Very small and quickly. Now toss a small ball or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open, then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? One more. Imagine how it would be to have your eyes in place of your ears. What would you be able to do then which you cannot do now? Ready to match your answers? Now toss a small ball or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open. Then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? It was easier to catch the ball with both eyes open. Second, imagine how it would be to have your eyes in place of your ears. What would you be able to do then, which you cannot do now? If I would have eyes in place of my two ears, then I would be able to see on my left and right side clearly without moving my neck. Great. Students, do animals see colors? Like we see all colors, uh, colorful rainbow. Do animal also see? Yes, some. Animals cannot see as many colors as we can. See how things in this picture. First picture, human can see all colors. Birds, they can also see all colors. Dog, few colors. Rat can see only black and white color. It is believed that animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors. Those animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white colors. This means owl can see only black and white color. Now, super sense of hearing. Tiger, elephant, dog, langur, they can hear even a faintest sound. This super sense of animals helps an animal to find its prey to protect themselves from predators. Now, with activity, we will understand more of super sense of hearing. Student, this elephant has challenged you. Write the name of 10 animals whose ears can be seen and name of some animals whose ears are bigger than yours. Students, ready with answer to defeat elephant? 10 animals whose ears can be seen are dog, cat, elephant, cow, buffalo, rabbit, lion, tiger, horse, and monkey. Animals whose ears are bigger than yours? Elephant, dog, horse, buffalo, cow, etc. Now you understand why elephant challenged you, because his ears are bigger than yours. Student, now think, think. Is there some link between the size of animals' ears and their hearing? Yes, I think the link is that the large size ears of animals can collect more sound waves which make their hearing power stronger than ours. Got it? Students, do you know animal sounds send messages? What type of messages? Let's see. High up on a tree, a langur warns others of dangers like a tiger or leopard. The langur does this by making a special warning call. Even birds also give alarm calls to warn about the danger. Some birds even have a different sounds for different kinds of dangers. For example, there is a different warning call if the enemy is coming from the sky or if the enemy is on the ground. When any animal gives the warning call, all the animals in that area understands the danger signal. See, students, do you know fishes give alarm call by electric signals? Some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or a storm is about to come. People who live in forests and can observe such behavior of animals come to know of the danger. Just we studied that animals behaves in a different way when an earthquake or a storm is about to come. Let us see one such incident. In December 2004, few tribes that live in a forest of the Andaman Island noticed the animals behaving in a different manner. They guessed some danger, so they moved away to a safer part of the island. Soon after, the island were hit by the tsunami, but these people were saved. Students, now super sense of touch. Sit near a desk, tap the desk once with your hand, listen carefully. Now put your ear on the desk as shown in the picture. Tap on the desk once again with your hand. Listen again. Was there any different in the sound of the tap? Yes. When you put your ears on the desk, you could hear a sharper sound of the tap. Same thing with the snake. The snake also hear or feels the vibration. They do not have external ears which you can see. They only feel the vibration on the ground. Super sense of dolphin echolocation. Dolphin produce certain types of sound which bounces off after touching an object under the water. Just like the echo produced when you shout out at a mountain valley. पहाड़ों पे जब आप जोर से बोलते हैं, थोड़ी देर बाद आपको लगता है कि वो आवाज आपको फिर से वापस लौट आई। जैसे आप दीवार पे बॉल को टैप करते हैं और बॉल आपके पास वापस बाउंस होकर आ जाती है। उसी प्रकार से डॉल्फिन भी पानी के अंदर एक ऐसा साउंड या बाउंस करती है जो उसको वो साउंड वापस आती है और उससे पता चल जाता है कि जो आगे वो मूव कर रही है, आगे कोई खतरा तो नहीं है, कोई पत्थर तो नहीं है, कोई जानवर तो नहीं है, मतलब वो अपने आप को बाउंस साउंड से वो रास्ता बना लेती है कि उसे आगे कैसे मूव करना है। Dolphins also make different sounds to give messages to each other. Scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. Creatures with sensitive senses. Sleeping, waking. Some animals go into a long, deep sleep in certain seasons. Then they are not seen for many months. Have you noticed that during the cold season you cannot see any lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone? सर्दियों में छिपकलियां दिखाई देती हैं? कहीं नहीं दिखाई देती हैं। और जरा सी गर्मी आई तो छिपकली के बच्चे इधर उधर दीवार पे, किचन में, बाथरूम में, हर जगह दिखाई देने लगते हैं। ऐसा क्यों? Hibernation. It is a state of inactivity when some creatures go into a deep sleep during cold winter months. छिपकलियों से सर्दी बर्दाश्त नहीं होती, इसलिए they go for a long deep sleep. है ना इंटरेस्टिंग? Have you noticed that during the cold season you cannot see any lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone? Yes, I have noticed that lizards are not seen during the cold season. I think they must have gone for a long sleep at a warm place to escape cold. Sweater na pehenna pade. So students, in this video, we have learned about super sense of sight, eagle, vulture, kite, tiger, lion and rat. The position of eyes on head of some birds like crow, pigeon, hen, chicken, etc. Do animals see colors? Super sense of hearing, super sense of touch, creatures with sensitive sense. Students, do the activity given in this video part 2 and do learn the answers and discuss with your parents. Thank you.